Hi everyone! So I haven't posted in a while because I am launching a new brand, which I'm very excited about. So this brand is called Lost Thread. I make handmade scrunchies, tote bags, and more things to come. But instead of filming YouTube for my school holidays, I have spent it basically sewing the whole entire time. So I will post a description to my socials for my new brand. It is launching on Sunday and I'm really excited. But back to what we're here for. I posted a video a few months ago about making a sticker border and how to do that on Procreate. But Cricut has given us a new update called Offset. So I'm going to show you how to use that today. Basically, you can add that white border straight in the app and then you don't have to worry about doing it externally. So I want to show you how to use it. So let's head over to the computer. Okay, so we are on the Cricut design space. So there's a few ways to use this offset feature. First off, I'll show you with just plain text. So we'll click on the text, going to type happy because why not? So if you have just the word happy here, all you have to do is go to this offset feature in the top, click on that, and you'll see this blue border pop around. You can change the distance of that, so you can make it really small, really big. It is completely up to you. As well, you can change it to a square or round. So I'm going to do round today. Click apply, and you'll see it comes up in gray. So to change that, go over to this text offset in the right corner, and then you can just choose whatever color you want. You might even want a purple border. You can do white. Obviously, it's going to be hard to see with this white screen, but you can see the border has been applied. So it's not just with text that you can do this. You can also use images. So I'm going to upload an image I used recently. This is one I used on Harmony Day. So again, go to that offset feature and you'll see that border come all the way around. Sometimes it will have them as individual letters if your image is quite divided. There is an option to weld if you need to. So I like that sizing. Again, it's gone gray. Might change it to a bit of a nicer color. Let's do blue. So that's really all it is to this offset feature. It's so handy. You don't need to worry about doing it in Procreate anymore. It's all in the app for you. So hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. But otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.